Morning guys, dito kami sa Modern Coffee with Ate Tech and Gerald. Shoutout kasi delivered nila kami. So first time nilang itatry dito sa Modern. I think their coffee is pretty good. Masarap. So yeah, just a chill day. After nito baka bisita kami sa Project Maple. What did you get?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. You got apple juice. You want me to open it? You want me to open the apple juice? Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, umalis na kami doon. I think we're gonna go to Costco. Ako ang driver, unfortunately. So guys, natuloy kami sa Costco. We're here. Let's go. Kahit boring dito. We're wasting time here.
Saan na kayo?
Ganun talaga.
Boring daw dito sabi ng kapatid ko.
Hindi pa.
Okay, bye.
Sa ano pa, pagkakuha ko ng iPhone 17 ko. Sino yung tit ko? Puti na.
Bakit?
Secret.
Pero nagkakape ka pa rin.
Oh, look at that. Look at the TV, Emil. Laki, you know.
Ang ganda na ng kulay.
Apple AirPods, oh. Mukhang bibili tayo, ah. Okay guys, pupunta kami ni Emil sa skeleton. We found the skeleton here, right Emil? Let's go. Let's go see the skeleton. There's a skeleton right there. Oh, the big skeleton for Halloween. It's Halloween soon. Look at that. Wow, that's a big skeleton, yeah? Oh, the skeleton. Skeleton guys, oh. Scary. Oh, look, there's one scary here too. Oh, wow, may gumagalaw pa. Gumagalaw pa to skeleton na to. Oh, wow. Are you scared? Look at the skeleton. Are you scared? Yeah? Look at that. Oh, wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go find Mama. Hey guys, hanapin na namin sila April. That's a scary skeleton. That's a scary skeleton. Yeah, Emil? You wanna see again? Okay, pupuntahan pa namin ulit. Oh, you wanna touch the skeleton? No? Skeleton, oh, nanginginig pa. Oh, bye skeleton. Oh, let's go check the other ones here.
Huh?
Meron pa yata dito sa iba eh.
Okay, then big.
Big one? I don't know. Are you tired already? Emal? Are you tired? Did you see the skeleton? Yeah? Ano sabi ng skeleton? Yeah, tumulo laway. Tumulo yung laway ni Emil. Yeah. Hey guys. So actually, after kaming nakapunta sa Costco, we went home and then we ate lunch. And now, it's business time. I'm actually going to Project Maples para tignan yung progress. I didn't go there kahapon, but yeah. Okay guys, we're back Dito na tayo sa Project Maples. Pakita ko sa inyo yung garage. Lots of garbages here. Kasi dito muna tinambak yung mga dinemo namin. Pero obviously, i-clean up nila yan once we're close to done. And yeah, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga nagawa na sa loob. Okay guys, I think nung last na pinakita ko sa inyo, wala pa siyang countertop. Ito na yung countertop. Actually, tinakpan lang nila ng paper para hindi siya ma-damage. Pero, ayan, na-installed na siya. Next na namin is yung backsplash. Installed na din tong microwave hood range natin, which is looking good. And completed na yung buong cabinet natin. So, is good. Hey! What's going on? Francisco, ayan, ini-install niya na yung faucet in the vanity in the washroom. So guys, may gala na naman kami. Punta naman kami kila Ate Tech, kila Ate Roma, mag-hotpot daw. So, hindi pa tapos ang vlog for today. Let's go eat dinner there. Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Let's go to Olivia's house.
But it's wet. It's okay.
Hello. Here's our ulam. Hot pot. Perfect for the cold weather. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, so meron ako nakitang for sale sign na naka-private papunta dito sa bahay nila ate. And malapit lang din. So, iniwan ko muna sila. Kasi business is always business. Since kakain lang naman kami dyan sa bahay nila. I'll show you guys. Literally 1 block away. Mabilis yung mata ko sa mga ganun. For sale sign by owner. I just need to turn right. And we're almost here. Here it is. Ito, nakalagay for sale by owner. Nakalagay dun sa isang street. Sabi for sale. Actually, I need to check the number. Kasi hindi ko nakita yung number. Yung address lang yung nakita ko. So, balikan natin yung for sale sign. Okay, may nakita rin akong fixer-upper. Ayan o. Lagyan din natin siya ng pliers. Let's go. We gotta grind, bro. We gotta grind. Okay guys, babalikan ko yung for sale sign na nakita ko. Kasi I need that number. I need the seller's number. Actually, I'm gonna park here and walk towards it. Kasi nasa intersection siya. The grind don't stop guys. It's actually rush hour ngayon, no? But we're here trying to make some money. Let's go. So guys, ito yung yard sign lang pala. Yard sale lang pala. Akala ko naman for sale, yard sale lang pala. Hey, at least I tried. You never know, right? At least I tried. Oh well.